Hello everyone, Gail Davis from Horizon Hill Crafts, here to show you the next and latest junk journal that I've created. This one was using a kit, Covered Bridges, from TLcCreations on Ko-fi.com, and there's a few pieces in here from my own stash. Plain, simple journal. This one's going to be used to chronicle the progress of my husband's cancer treatments for second stage, which will start up in September. So just wanted to show you a quick little walkthrough of what the journal looks like. It's cardstock, thick cardstock on the cover, bound pamphlet stitch, a couple of charms with linen thread, wax thread, and I put some metal corner pieces on it, top and bottom. But let's take a little walk through. A little quote, and I also put a piece of embossed paper behind it. Little tool that I have that I've been using lately. But here we have some covered bridges, pocket that I made with a piece of scrapbook paper. I believe this comes with the kit. There'll be a journal card there. This is a vintage piece of I don't even know. It's something to do with recording weather, I think. I'm not sure. Something I had in my stash. I threw it in here. This was a freebie from the TLC Facebook group. I think that's a postcard from the kit. A little faux stamp. Another covered bridge. I have no idea where these covered bridges are located. I know there's a lot of them in New Hampshire, but I don't know where she got these pictures from. Then we have another little pocket here. The water wheel. And the covered bridge. An old photo of a covered bridge. I made it into pocket. This was an envelope. I believe it's in the kit. Nothing in it. Most of the pockets gonna have very few tags in them because I want to keep a lot of writing space in this journal, and I want open empty pockets so that if we get little things from the hospital or things from his treatment, I want to put in here. So we have some keepsakes. An old degree day system log from the oil company my husband used to work at. Here we have another pocket and a tag and another envelope. So lots, like I said, lots of blank spaces for writing. The bottle wheel, mill. Side pocket, covered bridge journal card. It's the middle of the journal. I use burgundy wax thread. I have a tree of life and a fearless charm. Pocket with 2 tags. Another faux stamp. a covered bridge picture on it. Actually, not a covered bridge, a watermill. Empty pocket. Other side of that degree day page. Another faux stamp. And the back cover. Like I said, simple journal. Which I will start using in September. All right, thank you for watching. Have a great day.